It's raining a bit. Alright, hopefully you can hear me. Unfortunately I couldn't get out here on the weekend because I was sick. So we're gonna kick off where we were before. Pretty much fix that dent. I'm gonna keep sanding that area and hope for the best. Alright, you might be able to see here there's some spider cuts from the stress there, so I can take that right back as well. I don't know if I can't see it on the camera. Hopefully you guys can. Yeah, it's coming out alright. Obviously we're going to put some filler on there, make it the right shape that it's supposed to be. But, yeah, filling these deep scratches here. Yeah, we'll sand the rest of it back so we'll get an even colour. Alright guys, making some good progress. We've got this pretty flat and we're starting to work up here, taking all that back there. And I've gone around this edge. I think on the Nismo they have this black, but I also think that is bigger as well. But anyways, keep sanding back. Got a lot to go. Got to pop these out too. Alright guys, as you can tell, I've pretty much done all of that side. Just up to here. I haven't done top side yet, and I haven't done the bottom side yet. But we're going to move on to the left hand side, which is actually on the right. Yeah, and obviously I haven't done here yet. Can't get the DA in there. It's going to have to be a hand job. Yeah, let's keep sanding. Alright guys, so I've done from that line and down over the whole lot. I'll be able to tell from here it's a bit darker because I ended up using 80 grit, so I flipped it back pretty quick. Did find a little dent here, so we're going to have to fix that up. I'm going to run it over it with 120 again to make it a bit smoother. So just a quick one, and then tomorrow we'll come out and I'll do that top side and the bottom side and these bits here. Alright guys, finally got back out here. Now I have done quite a bit. It does take a bit of time to sand all this down, and I'm only doing this after the kids go to bed, so like from 8:30 onwards. So fixed up this corner, needs a little filler, and then we're going to sand it back with some 120 then 240 and then apply any filler. So yeah, we still need to get some more sandpaper. Haven't managed to get any just yet. I still need to do this top edge. Now the problem I'm having is I'm going to be selling this car, right? Do I just paint this with the paint that I got left so it's the same color and be done with it, sell it, done as it is? Or do I redo the whole car because it's not the best? And I'm thinking of a Toyota Pearl, white pearl, which is 090 code. It's very nice, very, very bright white, and I'll do the whole car. I'll do it properly this time, so sand it all the way back. Might take a little bit more time, might cost a little bit more, but in the end I think I'll probably get double the amount that I would if I just sold it as is. Now I do still have to fix the auto trans, and it's not working properly, so we've got to sort that out. Hopefully that doesn't cost too much, but yeah, let me know. It's going to be a little lengthy process. Hopefully I can get it done probably mid-January and then sell it. Also, it's going to run out of reg soon, so I don't know if I should just leave it and then sell it with a roadworthy, and then they would get the roadworthy and register it themselves, or just get the registration going and put it in at work for a roadworthy, see what they say, and I'd fix that. I've still got some white line stuff some suspension stuff here that I need to put in the car, and I'm sure it will still need tires, and definitely needs another service, quite a few things, but yeah, that's down the track. Engine's good, hasn't missed a beat since putting it in, and it is registered with this engine too, guys, so it's all legit. I'll probably change the exhaust back over to either the stock one or fix this one up properly, and I need to get onto these windows. They're got some itching on them from the rain, but yeah, the paint is not that good. I know if I do a pretty damn good job with the paint, I probably won't want to sell it. Need to fix up the windows, this roof. Still got to do some interior stuff, like I said last time. Got to do some carbon fibre on the door handles, and probably have to fix the driver's seat. A few little things, you know, that everyone would do to sell a car for the best possible price. So yeah, I think it might be the best idea to respray the whole car, because that would also give me time to get a grill as well. If it takes as long as it did to get this bumper, to get a grill from Japan or locally, or even America for the G35, maybe a carbon fiber one, I'm not too sure, but yeah, let's see how this goes. I think I will do a full respray, so whole car back to bare metal. Let's see if I can get a sandblaster or something like that. I know there's quite a few things on this car that bug me when I do wash it and it looks quite good, and then I see some dents that I tried to fill and they just look terrible. It's like my first time doing a full respray, so but I don't know if you can see it. This is paintwork's just gone to crap. It's not a 2-pack, so yeah. I really do think I want to do the full respray, because eventually I want to do it to the twin turbo Forester, and I want to have some experience. So I also need to do the wheels. There's a lot to do. A lot of sanding, a lot of boring stuff that I probably won't show you guys. But like, where is it? Like here, I need to fill that in. So yeah, it's just time. And at the moment I don't have a lot of it, so slowly getting there. So yeah, I think I might wrap this one up. I need to go edit this, and hopefully I can get it out here later to play around with it a bit more. And for next episode, I might see if I can rig up a sandblaster to get this done quicker on the body. Yeah, it's a bit like a homemade sandblaster, so let's see how that goes. Anyways guys, hope you liked this episode, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.